Sumi, this little girl, only 3 months, is going to the province. She will leave behind her mother, Nona. There. Where's Nona? Because her mother, Nona, has medical condition and her parents needs full attention, full time to take care of Nona. Yeah, she has a broken jaw. This is her foster mommy of Sumi. Sumi, where are you? This is Nona. Ayan. Nona. And this is the daughter, Sumi. So, at her age, 3 months, very, very makulit. Very hyper. And so active. And that is not good to the well-being of her mother. This one, si Nona, who is sick. So that's why they need to be separated with each other. Wawa naman. Ang cute ng damit mo, Sumi. Sarap gawing maminta talaga.
Maluwag pa. Sarap nilang alagaan pag ganyan yung...
Oo nga, cute pa. Grabe, parang laruan.
Nakagad niya yung damit.
Halika dito.
Yan, sa'yo naman. Yun, tumatalon pa, oh.
Halika. Sige. Halika. Laro tayo.
Ayan, yan, tumatalon-talon.
Halika. Kami.
Pares na size lang ito, ate.
Oo, same lang. Hindi mo ba mamaya kasya na yan?
No, but... Yes! Wow, unggoy. Perform na unggoy.
Ano ba? Parang unggoy. Unggoy ka daw, Sumi.
Unggoy.
Lagi yung unggoy na yung sa...
Circus.
Hello. Bakit pa rin nakagat? Hindi yung pagkain. Akala mo pagkain?
Grabe, walang kapaguran, no?